welcome back to my channel. My name is Brahmi and Amla. If you're new to the channel, welcome to our little world on the internet. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, thank you so much for joining me today. I love you so much. I appreciate your support as always. In today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how I do my hot oil treatment for my hair, and it's one of the things that I've been doing for my hair, with my hair, and my hair has been loving it. My hairline is improving, the thickness of my hair is improving, so I figured I would show you guys what I am doing, what I'm using, and also tell you the benefits of the things that I'm using and why I chose those particular things. So this is a hot oil treatment recipe tutorial DIY mixtress thing video, so I hope that you guys do enjoy it. Yeah, you guys know that I love you, I appreciate you, thank you so much for joining me. To make my hot oil treatment, I'm going to be using an oil that I mix, an infused oil that I infused myself, and I'm going to be using Amla oil, which is packed with vitamin E. It controls hair loss, stimulates hair growth, strengthens your hair. I'm going to follow that by using ashwagandha, which stimulates melanin in the body, protects your hair against sun damage, makes a hair color more intense, and stimulates your hair follicles. I'm also going to have in the oil a Brahmi, which treats itchy scalp, nourishes your hair, combats dryness, and I'm also going to use Bring Brush, which helps treat conditions leading to hair loss. The carrier oils that I used for my infusion are avocado oil, extra virgin olive oil, and grapeseed oil, each with their own benefits. Benefits such as moisturizing your scalp, packed full of vitamins, intense moisture and shine, and also prevents split ends. I'm going to follow that by using my vitamin E capsules. I love using vitamin E on my hair. It comes in capsules, and don't be afraid to just pop them and add them to your oils, whatever oil you choose. Vitamin E reduces inflammation on the scalp. It repairs damage to your hair follicle, which will then lead to healthier follicles that encourage growth. It rebuilds and repairs damaged tissues. I'm also going to be adding peppermint oil, rosemary oil, and lavender oil to my hot oil treatment. This is because I want to use essential oils that help stimulate growth and stimulate your scalp, because once you stimulate and treat your scalp, you are guaranteed healthier hair growing out of your scalp. So peppermint oil stimulates your scalp, increases blood flow, whilst rosemary oil stimulates hair growth, prevents balding, and treats dandruff. Lavender oil, as you all know, is a very calming essential oil. You can even use it just to breathe it in and relax. The more relaxed you are, less stress you have in your life, the better your body is, and that means that you can have better hair growth. Lavender oil improves blood circulation, it promotes hair growth, and prevents hair loss. So these are all the ingredients that I use to infuse in my oil. Should you guys want a specific recipe on the oil infusion and how I use my Ayurvedic hair herbs to infuse my oils, please let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to do that. And now all you have to do is just add your infusion to a bottle that will be easier to apply, and then put it in hot water. Those are the spots on my scalp that I really want to treat. As you can see, I was starting to lose hair there, but it's growing back. It's now just shorter than the rest of my hair, which is amazing because hair growth, yay! Okay, I'm just going to test the oil on the back of my hand to make sure that it's not too hot for my scalp. You don't want to just put it directly in case it's too hot. You don't want to burn your scalp, okay? Like, don't do that. I know it's called a hot oil treatment, but you actually don't have to use your oils warm or hot if you're going to have it overnight, or you can just mix your oils and apply them at their room temperature, because the heat that your scalp produces overnight will help kind of with the treatment. And now you just have to apply it to your scalp and your hair. When you're applying it to your scalp, try and massage your scalp using the pads of your fingers. Do not use your fingernails. You don't want to scratch your scalp, and then just twist it in. Focus on the ends of your hair, because that's the older hair that you have. Like you all know, respect your elders, okay? Treat them with love and care. So just apply that onto your roots, your ends. taking special care to apply more on your ends, because those are the oldest part of your hair, and that's where you tend to have split ends. That's where your hair tends to break. On the scalp level, the reason why you're applying it onto your scalp and massaging it onto your scalp, like I said, you want to use ingredients that are going to stimulate your scalp, that are going to heal your scalp, and that are going to encourage hair growth. The healthier your scalp is, the better your hair is going to be. Remember, your hair grows out of somewhere, so you need to treat your scalp. The reason why I am detangling as I go is because I've realized that using oils to detangle your hair is way easier. When you finally do decide to do your wash routine, you're not going to have to worry about tangles and single strand knots. So now all you're doing is you are detangling, applying your oil from your roots through to your ends, making sure to massage it into your hair. Use the iron board method, just iron your oils in through your hair and then twist, massage your scalp, and there you have it, guys, your hot oil treatment. And now I'm just going to be using this as a pre-poo. So what I'm going to do is I am going to wear my plastic bag and pick and pay one for today's little treatment, and then I will keep this overnight as a pre-poo before wash day tomorrow. And there you have it, the best pre-poo method. It's been helping with my scalp and optimum hair growth. Honeys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys have a beautiful day wherever you are. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell. If you're a newbie, join our family. We're here to support each other through the natural hair journey. It's easier than we all think, okay? Once you return natural, it's so easy. You've got so much support in the world, and we are part of that. So please do join our family. I hope that you guys will continue to support me and come here for videos. Don't forget to leave a comment down below telling me what you guys want to see in the next video, or just leaving a comment on what you use for your hot oil treatments or your pre-shampoos. We all would love to see and hear from you. So leave a comment down below. Just a one-liner, we'll appreciate it. Have a beautiful, beautiful Sunday. I love you so much, and have a blessed week. Go out there and bloom where you've been planted. Mwah, 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 mwah. Subscribe and watch. Subscribe and watch. I love you.
It's high sun on the bed.
Y'all need to just DM, comment below, and tell my boyfriend that this is so cute, because he thinks it's not. I think it's cute. It's so cute.